Number 1. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $4,900. Pulaski, Wisconsin. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is one of the most desirable first-generation personal luxury coupes, blending elegant styling with classic Chevrolet muscle. This example is listed for $4,900 in Pulaski, Wisconsin, and is offered as a non-running project after sitting for approximately 30 years. Under the hood is a 400 cubic inch small block V8, paired with the durable Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Factory features include front disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, bucket seats, and dual exhaust, making it a well-equipped car for its era. The body has some rust, but the seller notes it is not severe, and the car retains its original non-vinyl roof configuration. With its strong drivetrain and highly collectible first-year Monte Carlo styling, this project offers excellent restoration potential. Number 2. 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $2,500, Aurora, Indiana. Priced at just $2,500 in Aurora, Indiana, this 1977 Ford Thunderbird represents one of the most affordable full-size luxury classics currently available. Showing 97,229 miles, it features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, cold air conditioning, good tires, a factory AM/FM stereo, and a clean title. The seller states that everything functions properly and the car is highway ready, requiring only fresh paint to improve its appearance. These late 70s Thunderbirds are known for their comfortable ride, smooth V8 performance, and unmistakable American luxury styling. For buyers looking for an inexpensive cruiser that can be enjoyed immediately, this Thunderbird offers outstanding value. Number 3. 1971 Lincoln Continental, $4,000, Williamston, Michigan. This 1971 Lincoln Continental project is offered for $4,000 in Williamston, Michigan, and presents a solid opportunity for someone interested in restoring a classic luxury automobile. The seller explains that the car underwent an older restoration during the 1990s and currently requires installation of the distributor and carburetor before returning to operation. Prior to disassembly, the engine reportedly ran very well, with intake gasket replacement being the reason for the teardown. Finished in purple with a brown interior, this Continental carries the impressive presence that made early 70s Lincolns famous. Once mechanically completed, it could become a comfortable highway cruiser with timeless American luxury appeal. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $9,995, Dundee, Illinois. Listed for $9,995 in Dundee, Illinois, this 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a stylish personal luxury coupe finished in an eye-catching red exterior with a matching red interior. Although it has accumulated 210,972 miles, the seller reports no significant damage and presents it as a solid, well-maintained classic. The Monte Carlo remained one of Chevrolet's most popular personal luxury cars during the late 1970s, thanks to its comfortable ride, attractive styling, and dependable mechanical components. For buyers seeking an iconic American cruiser with plenty of visual presence, this Monte Carlo continues to deliver timeless appeal. Number 5. 1948 Ford Super Deluxe, $7,500, South Charleston, West Virginia. Offered for $7,500 in South Charleston, West Virginia, this 1948 Ford Super Deluxe combines post-war styling with dependable flathead V8 performance. Powered by the legendary flathead engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the seller reports that the car runs well, drives confidently, and stops properly. Finished in black with a red interior, this Ford captures the elegant simplicity that made late 40s automobiles so memorable. Because flathead-powered Fords enjoy enormous aftermarket support and collector interest, this Super Deluxe would make an excellent weekend cruiser or foundation for a traditional restoration. Number 6. 1978 Chrysler Cordoba, $6,950, Canton, Ohio. This exceptionally clean 1978 Chrysler Cordoba is listed for $6,950 in Canton, Ohio, with only 38,400 original miles. Originally from South Carolina, the car has spent very little time in Ohio, helping preserve its overall condition. Power comes from Chrysler's strong 400 cubic inch big block V8, backed by an automatic transmission. Recent maintenance includes brand new brakes and tires, while the seller reports that it runs and drives extremely smoothly. The factory air conditioning only requires a recharge to become operational again. As one of Chrysler's signature personal luxury coupes, the Cordoba remains admired for its smooth ride, upscale interior, and unmistakable late 70s styling. Number 7. 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe, $4,000, Dagsboro, Delaware. Priced at $4,000 in Dagsboro, Delaware, this 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado offers a rare opportunity to own one of the most innovative American cars ever produced. The first-generation Toronado introduced front-wheel drive to the American luxury market while maintaining impressive V8 performance. This example runs and drives, benefits from new brakes, new brake lines, and a brand new dual exhaust system extending from the headers. While the floor pans require attention and the green repaint differs from the original white finish, the car remains a solid project with enormous collector appeal due to its groundbreaking engineering and distinctive styling. Number 8. 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special Brougham, $4,100, Wyandotte, Michigan. Listed for $4,100 in Wyandotte, Michigan, this 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special Brougham continues to serve as the seller's regular daily driver. Showing 85,782 miles, the large luxury sedan starts reliably, stays cool, and is described as capable of driving anywhere despite a handful of minor issues. Items needing attention include an exhaust leak, inoperative power antenna, leaking rear air shocks, non-working air conditioning, climate controls that only function on low speed, and a faulty fuel gauge. The seller believes the mileage is accurate based on the excellent interior condition. These Fleetwoods are famous for their incredibly smooth ride and spacious interiors, making this an affordable full-size luxury classic with plenty of usable life remaining. Number 9. 1956 Ford Ranch Wagon, $6,500, Jeffersonville, Indiana. This customized 1956 Ford Ranch Wagon is offered for $6,500 in Jeffersonville, Indiana, and features significant mechanical upgrades. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a Hughes-built 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission and a comp cam solid lifter camshaft. Numerous additional new components have already been installed, although the seller notes the interior still requires completion and the windshield is missing. All remaining glass is included. Classic station wagons continue to gain popularity among collectors, and this upgraded ranch wagon provides a solid foundation for someone wanting vintage styling combined with modern drivability. Number 10. 1973 Ford Grand Torino Wagon, $3,050, Oregon City, Oregon. Available for only $3,250 in Oregon City, Oregon, this 1973 Ford Grand Torino Wagon is a highly original survivor awaiting restoration. Parked since 2000, it retains its original 351 Cleveland V8, factory AM radio, power steering, power front disc brakes, and air conditioning. The body is described as exceptionally straight, with only minor surface rust and a small rocker panel dent, while the interior remains largely intact aside from front seat upholstery and headliner repairs. Although the car currently does not run or drive, it turns over by hand and comes with a clean title. Highly original station wagons from this era have become increasingly desirable, making this a worthwhile project. Number 11. 1953 Ford Mainline, $19,500, Pinehurst, Idaho. Priced at $9,500 in Pinehurst, Idaho, this beautifully updated 1953 Ford Mainline blends classic styling with modern V8 performance. It is powered by a Ford 302 cubic inch V8 backed by a 5-speed manual transmission, providing a far more engaging driving experience than the original drivetrain. The seller describes the body as very straight and notes that the engine sounds excellent. With only 3,000 miles shown since the build, this mainline offers a tasteful resto-mod approach that combines vintage appearance with improved reliability and drivability. Number 12. 1958 Edsel Ranger, $7,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. This distinctive 1958 Edsel Ranger is listed for $7,500 in Hillsboro, Oregon. Although the installed 351 Cleveland engine requires replacement, the rest of the vehicle presents very well. Highlights include a restored chassis, front disc brakes, custom tuck-and-roll interior, Boyd wheels, nearly new tires, and a rust-free body. The C6 automatic transmission remains in place, making engine replacement relatively straightforward. Because Edsels remain among the most recognizable and collectible automotive icons of the late 1950s, this solid, rust-free example offers excellent restoration potential. Number 13. 1959 AMC Rambler 6 Custom, $9,950 Bend, Oregon. Offered for $9,950 in Bend, Oregon, this 1959 AMC Rambler 6 Custom is an exceptionally honest survivor that has received extensive recent mechanical maintenance. Powered by the dependable 195.6 cubic inch flathead inline 6 and a 3-speed manual transmission, the car benefits from a new head gasket, resurfaced cylinder head, new valve seats, rebuilt carburetor, fresh ignition components, and new tires. The seller reports that it starts easily, shifts smoothly, runs reliably, and features a straight body with a nicely restored interior. Rather than being a trailer queen, this Rambler is presented as a dependable classic that can be driven and enjoyed regularly. Number 14. 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, $8,250, Hendersonville, Tennessee. Listed for $8,250 in Hendersonville, Tennessee, this rare 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook remains remarkably original. Powered by Plymouth's dependable flathead 6 engine and a column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission, the car reportedly runs, drives, and stops extremely well. It also benefits from attractive paint, a nicely preserved interior, and recent maintenance that includes new tires and brakes. Cranbrooks have become increasingly collectible thanks to their classic post-war styling and mechanical simplicity, making this an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable vintage driver. Number 15. 1954 Ford Crestline Victoria, $9,500, Arlington, Tennessee. This 1950 Ford Crestline Victoria is available for $9,500 in Arlington, Tennessee, and has already been upgraded with modern V8 performance. Under the hood is a Ford 302 cubic inch engine connected to a C4 automatic transmission, along with an Edelbrock intake manifold and a new Holley 4-barrel carburetor. The seller reports that the car starts, runs, drives, and stops well, requiring only minor cosmetic attention to reach its full potential. The Crestline Victoria's attractive hardtop styling makes it one of Ford's most desirable mid-50s models, and this upgraded example offers enjoyable cruising with improved reliability. Number 16. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe, $8,000, Fairplay, Maryland. Offered for $8,000 in Fairplay, Maryland, this 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 has been transformed into a serious street and strip performer. Power comes from a freshly built 383 cubic inch stroker V8, paired with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include aluminum cylinder heads, a comp cam's camshaft, Holley intake manifold, hooker headers, 3-inch dual exhaust with an X-pipe, electric water pump, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, and a high-stall torque converter. Suspension improvements include tubular control arms, upgraded steering components, new springs and shocks, and a posi-traction rear axle with 3.73 gears. The seller states the car runs, shifts, and stops exactly as it should. While not intended as a show car, this Z28 offers exceptional performance, making it an outstanding choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful weekend cruiser or track-ready classic.